I can't believe that it's 2021 and I'm having to say these things. Y'all really like to complicate shit, don't you? Let's do this. Drinking coffee does not dehydrate you. Yes, it does have a slight diuretic effect, meaning you'll be peeing a little bit more, but the water you drink with the coffee is going to replenish that. You'll need to have about 5 cups of coffee a day to have a slight dehydrating effect, and you shouldn't be drinking that much. It doesn't matter if you eat 1 meal a day or 5. You will lose fat if you're in a calorie deficit. There are no shortcuts. This shit takes time. It's okay to drink diet soda to help with your weight loss. It's perfectly fucking healthy. Anybody that tells you otherwise is an idiot. Studies show that people that drink diet soda instead of just water actually lose more weight in the long run than the people that drink just water. They are a great way to help keep your cravings at bay. So drink the fucking diet soda if you want to. It's okay. And despite what your favorite fitness influencer has told you, the best workout program will always consist of the same exercises, repeated. Be aggressive and consistent with those same movements and you will improve, I promise you. Stop hopping from one program to the next. Consistency with everything is how you get results. And lastly, follow me for more no bullshit content like this.